Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 3.5 V6, pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package, which is going to give you front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist. For wheels we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Pano sunroof. Trailer hitch. GLE 350. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls. This one does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE has 44,057 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.